What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, I got a big smile on my face because I'm super excited. We're finally getting something done on the N54 motor for my 335i. Look at her, she's just sitting out there. This is the most action she's seen outside in like 4.5 months, right?
She's getting her vitamin D from the sun.
Yeah, 4.5 months. You guys will know why if you go and watch the last video. We'll leave it right here. Anyway, today we're going to be putting on probably my most favorite part of this engine is my VARGAS turbos. So as you can see, we already have the manifolds on. Also, check out that video. I explained how they're two-piece, and I'll just show you what it looks like. So here's VARGAS GC LITE 2.0 turbos.
With the lines on it already.
Yeah, we already put the oil feed and the oil return on. And there's our beautiful heat wrapped in DEI gold reflective tape. These are VRSF 2-inch OEM stock location inlets. So those are going to give us the breathing power for the turbos. But yeah, so pretty much the goal for today is we're going to put on the turbos with the inlets, the outlets, and we're going to try and put the downpipes on. I'm not really sure if it's going to work out as I plan, but I'm going to try and put the downpipes onto the turbos, so then once we put the motor in, it will already be a lot easier, because the downpipes are pretty difficult to put on. I'm not sure if it's going to work. If it doesn't, we'll just take them back off and put them on, but we're going to try and make life a little bit easier for ourselves. So, first step is we're going to have to just remove this hose or this coolant line right here. I'm probably going to loosen it up from here and take it off the water pump. That way we have a lot more room here to actually put the turbos on. And I think we're going to have to take this, the motor mount back off. So let's get started. Alright, just to make life a lot easier instead of struggling, we're going to take the whole water pump and thermostat assembly off. It's just 3 bolts, or 1 right here and then 2 from underneath. We'll just take this whole assembly here off and it'll make life so much easier, because then we'll just throw the turbos on and then throw this on after. Alright, so as you can see, we have the turbos on, mounted, and now what we're going to do is, we got to put the water pump back on, and also the motor mount bracket there. So, we tighten all the oil lines up, we still have to do the coolant lines, so we're going to put this stuff back on, then we'll, make sure everything's secure. Alright, so a little update. We haven't filmed in a little while because we've really been trying to get cracking at this, and we haven't filmed in a while because we've really been trying to get cracking at this and, get things moving on here with the turbo side. So this is the latest update that we got. We have the turbos fully mounted. All the lines are on. The only thing is this little bolt right here, which is for the, right here, the coolant lines. I lost the bolts, I guess. This one was one of them, but this one, the tread is a little messed up, so it's not working. And the other one, I got no idea where it is. So me and Steve are actually hungry, so we're about to go eat. And we're also gonna...
We hungry.
We hungry. My pockets ain't empty, cuz.
Pockets ain't empty, cuz. And we ain't hungry no more either, bruh.
Ejectocito, cuz. But yeah, so we're about to go and take this bolt and, hopefully go to like a hardware store, Pep Boys or something like that. Hopefully be able to find this same size, because or else we're gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna have to order them, and then it's just a long process and no one got time for that.
All right, guys, we are back. We are full from nice, fat, juicy burgers. Well, more like 4 burgers. But we went to go pick up some parts. Pat, what is this called again?
That is our VARGAS silicone outlets, which we needed these specifically for these GC LITE 2.0s, because the difference is 95% of N54 turbos are V-banded. So this part where the outlet connects to is a V-band, but these are actually hose barb ones. They don't have a V-band connection. So this, you just put the silicone over, then you take a clamp it down, and there you got it.
And there you got it. And then it also came with,
that is the outlet to an intercooler adapter, because most intercoolers are 2.5 inch. And you know, since I got the VRSF 7.5 inch race one, I'm going big boy status, you know. Whoa. I needed an adapter.
And you got an adapter. I don't know anything about these BMW twin turbo things. I'm a single 2J guy. And it came with gummy bears.
Gummy bears!
So yeah, we're gonna start installing these parts.
First, what we're gonna do though is we're gonna use the DEI heat tape, and we're gonna heat tape this. Because this sits literally right here. Actually, it would be something along the lines of like this, right here. And since this sits here, it's obviously right up against the turbo manifolds, and this is the very hot side. So this you want to keep cool, because this silicone could eventually get so hot that it will start melting a hole through. So yeah.
Oh snap. Look at this, fully wrapped in gold. No melting here, boys.
All gold everything, baby.
Oh yeah, it ain't gonna melt. So as I wrapped that, Pat was putting on the downpipes. Hopefully they'll go on the car. You know, we haven't tried it, but hopefully the engine will drop into the car with the downpipes on. I need a new sweater. Hey guys, you want to send me a new sweater? I'm in dire need of a new sweater.
We're gonna start a GoFundMe page down below. Get Steve a new sweatshirt.
This thing has seen a lot of hours of work. So, as Pat is continuing putting on these beautifully wrapped downpipes, titanium wrapped downpipes.
We have an issue, guys.
He lost something. He lost a screw.
I might have lost the bolt for this already.
He just took it off. Did you check your pockets? It's probably in his pocket. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take off these blue vacuum hoses and put on this beautiful red one. The sole purpose of changing these is for color matching, right Pat? Because Pat has plans for the future of making some red items on the car.
It's color matching also. There is a little bit of difference. These are 4mm hoses, and these are either the stock 3.5 or 3mm. So the bigger the diameter on the inside, it'll actually allow the air to go through quicker, meaning a little bit of faster boost response timing. And also in terms of like the blow-off valve, it's better for the blow-off valve also.
Boost! So yeah, I'm gonna take these off, match it up right next to the red one, do a little snip snip, and that's it. I'm just gonna go one by one to make sure I don't make a mistake. Bam! Look at that. Red. All red vacuum lines. Now we got brand new cut blue lines for the garbage. Actually looks really good. I like it. Red and gold, baby. Red, gold, and black. Yup. Alright, what's next?
Next.
Oh yeah, so in the meantime, while I did all this red hose, Pat installed one downpipe. The other one's right there on the floor. Good job, Pat.
That's because we had a little issue where, you know, we had to take the motor mount off and fix the downpipe's position. But now I'm going to put the other downpipe on. And then once that's done, we're going to finish it off by installing the outlets. And once the outlets are done, the whole turbo side will be complete. And in the next video, the motor is going in the car. Woo! Alright, so a lot of progress has been made. The turbo side, it actually looks amazing. Look at all this gold. I freaking wanted a gold wrap, heat tape, everything. So the front inlet, obviously it's not in the proper position, but that's all heat tape. The whole outlets are heat tape. We got titanium exhaust strap on the downpipes. If I was able to do the turbo manifolds, I would have also, but since they're just the stock manifolds, there's no like gap to really do anything there. But so the whole entire assembly is on, downpipes, outlets, inlets. Finally, everything is on. All this silicone stuff right here is for the upgraded turbo. Man, I'm really excited. And the red vacuum line also looks absolutely amazing. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Always remember, work hard, stay humble.